Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, 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 everybody. Today is Sunday, February 21st, I think. It is a week after the Arctic blast, and it feels so much better outside. My garage door is open. The plants are starting to grow again. That's a whole nother video. But today's video, we are going to be growing potatoes. So I have my potatoes. I have an old, I'm doing this in a bin. I have an old bin that I put holes in, and I have a big bag of Miracle-Gro vegetable garden soil, and then I have some regular topsoil. So this is the topsoil that I have. I got this from Lowe's, and I'm just going to simply take this and mix it in with the Miracle-Gro vegetable harvest is what the bag says. This is my second time planting potatoes. The first time it didn't work out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in the garden soil. Oh, look at the difference, y'all. Look at that compared to this. That's a huge difference. So what I'm gonna do is mix them together. I don't want to pick up, I'm just making a mess. I really didn't want to pick up this bag, but we're gonna have to. I'm just going to mix them up evenly, or together I should say, as best as I can. So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing fabulous, wonderful. So much better that our power has been on. Sometimes the shovel don't do it. You gotta put your hands in there. All right. All right, y'all. We're just mixing together really nice. And what I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna pour it out onto the table and mix it a little bit better. Add some more of the garden soil in there and then come back. All right, y'all, as you guys can see, I have everything mixed up. I even have, let me bring y'all down some more. I even have I threw a little peat moss in there and some perlite. So, and it's about, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's about up to right there. So I have a lot more room to stack. And as you can see, my nails came through. So, I am going to put them like so. I think that should be good enough. I don't know if 4 is too much in here. Oh, I think that's too much. I think they're supposed to be a certain amount of feet apart, inches, what have you. Okay, so I'm just gonna bury them. And I think I'm going to put this one. Where did I put that other one? Right there. Nothing beats a failure but a try. So this is what I'm doing today. And I'm mixing, I'm doing a layer of the dirt that I mixed up, and you're supposed to, they say heal it, so maybe I'll try that. I'll heal it up like so. All right, y'all, so that is what I did, and it's on the hill. So when I water this in and then wait for it to grow. So guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't currently a member. We would love to have you over here in the family. This is my potato, I guess garden, you could say. And then I'm gonna have to do another one for those other potatoes and see if I am successful this year with my potatoes. So I have 3 up in here. I think I'm kind of pushing it with that third one over on this side, but we will see. yeah, so I'm gonna water this in, and then your girl gonna get her nails done. So this is my potato video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so you can get notifications of when I go live. Well, not live, but when I go put up other videos. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.